Hey, did you hear that? Microsoft announced Copilot for Microsoft 365, a new AI-powered tool. They say it is the most productivity tool on the planet. Wait, it's not the first time Microsoft creating Copilots for their applications. Back then, on 30 June 2021, Microsoft announced Copilot for GitHub. Microsoft, OpenAI, and GitHub collaboratively developed this new AI pair programmer. On 7 Feb this year, Microsoft launched Copilot for Web, a new AI-powered Bing and Edge. Coming to 365 Copilot, customer will experience Copilot in two ways. Firstly, it is embedded in all 365 apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and more. Next, Business Chat. It's a kind of chatbot experience that could help summarize information pulled from meeting transcripts, recent chats, invites in your calendar, and more. Microsoft 365 Copilot is powered by the Copilot system, a sophisticated processing and orchestration engine. Here is how it works. It takes the prompt from the user and pre-processes the prompt input through an approach called grounding. During this process, it makes a call to Microsoft Graph, which holds your data. Copilot combines this user data and generates more contextual and relevant prompts. Then it sends the improved prompt to LLM, large language model. You might not need an introduction to LLM if I say ChatGPT uses it to generate responses. 365 Copilot takes the response from LLM and post-processes it. This additional grounding helps to perform responsible AI checks, security, compliance, and privacy reviews. Finally, it sends response and app commands back to 365 apps. Now let us see how these apps work. Let's look into the demo from Microsoft.
Copilot in Excel helps you make sense of all your data. Say you need to analyze this quarter's sales results. You start by asking Copilot to analyze the data and give you 3 key trends. Within seconds, you've got what you need. But you want to drill in. You ask Copilot a follow-up question about one of the trends. Copilot creates a new sheet, giving you a sandbox to play in and helping you better understand what's happening. You ask Copilot to visualize what contributed to the decline in sales growth this period. Copilot adds a little color to make the problem jump off the page. Now you want to dig deeper and ask a follow-up question with a what-if scenario. Copilot not only answers your question, it creates a simple model and even asks if you want to learn more about what it did with a step-by-step breakdown. Finally, you can ask it to create a graph of your projected model. Copilot in Excel turned a sea of data into clear insights and actions. Business Chat works across all your data and apps to help you do things you've never been able to do before. Let's say you're preparing for a customer meeting. You start by asking Copilot to summarize all your recent customer interactions, meetings, content you've shared, any issues, and deliverables. Copilot works across your calendar, emails, chats, documents, and meetings to find all the pertinent information. Now you've got a concise summary, complete with citations. You can hover over the citations to verify sources or learn more. You know product lead times are likely to come up in the conversation, so you ask Copilot to help. Copilot combs through all your documents, meetings, emails, files, and company resources to get you what you need. With Copilot, you're always prepared.
That's all for today. Embrace for the AI models coming along. Thanks for watching. Thumbs if you liked it. Subs if you are looking for more.